Scientific Inquiry in a Baggie Lab. These are our materials. We have sodium bicarbonate, which is this white powder. We have phenol red, which is a red powder dissolved in water. This changes color with acidity. And we have calcium chloride, which is more of a crystalline texture than the sodium bicarbonate. We also have a Baggie. So all three of these are going to be mixed in the Baggie, and we'll see what happens. So inside the Baggie I have placed all three chemicals. Okay, I have sealed the Baggie. They are on the inside. Now we're going to combine all three of them into the corner of the Baggie here. Do a little mixture here. Okay. So, observations, you can see the color. You can see that it is bubbling. You might be able to hear it. Okay. One thing you may not have been able to see, unless you had a thermometer, would be the temperature change. So at first it warmed up and now it is much cooler than it started. If you look here, the bag has inflated quite a bit because it was flat before and now it's very poopy. Second experiment here, I've got my calcium chloride and my phenol red, and I'm going to mix those. So, get that to dissolve a little bit. It's pink, so nothing really changed on the color, but if you could feel it, it's very high temperature there, and no bubbles being produced. It's the same thickness of Baggie as it was before. The third Baggie, we've got the sodium bicarbonate and the phenol red in the same Baggie. Here we go. So mix those together. Okay, not a whole lot happening here. It's cold to the touch and still pink. Okay, so we have the two solids together, just sodium bicarbonate, calcium chloride. Let me go ahead and mix those. Okay. They're just sitting with each other. Nothing's happening, nothing's changing. No color, no heat, nothing. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a little bit of water to the bag. So this pipette just has water in it. I'm going to puddle it in here. I'm going to zip it closed. Okay, and then I'm going to let that fall down to the bottom. And you can see that foaming action is happening. It's still white color. Okay. But we do get the chemical reaction. It was a little warm, now it's starting to get cold. And you can see that the bag is starting to inflate with the air or the gas being produced by the reaction.